Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to learn how to design a menu bar in the WordPress. Okay, so guys, in last video we have done the pages which we have created the pages about us, blog, contact us, homepage, services, and etc. Okay, so all the pages which we have created, that is using click on pages, and we have created all the pages by adding new items. Okay, so guys, now the main thing is that it is coming all jumbled one, so we want in arranged format, and the services should be inside the services like drop down box. Okay, so to build that we will use a menu builder. Okay, so that is, let's go to our appearance, so hover on it and let's go to menus. Let's click on that menu and it's loading. Okay, top corner. After loading it will show you, just create your first menu below, right? So let's create a menu bar or a nav bar, whatever you tell. So I'm going to tell a nav bar. Okay, so nav bar also means that menu bar. Okay, so I'm going to create a nav bar. So let's create menu, and one menu is created now. Okay, so this is a nav bar, and so the primary means the middle one, means this is the default one, so that default one is called primary, right? So this will be the primary, and secondary will be the top bar, and the footer menu will be the bottom bar. Okay, so in next video we'll be learning how to use this secondary menu or footer menu, and in this video we are going to learn about primary menu, that is main menu. For normal majority of the project uses this. Okay, so let's click on this and save the menu. Okay, so we have saved it. So guys, now we are going to add this things which is most recent pages. Okay, so these are the items, that is pages, post, custom links, and categories. Okay, so in coming videos you will be learning about this categories, custom links. Okay, so I will show you a demo. So let's add the pages into the menu bar. Okay, so let's click service, service 1, service 2, and I need a blog, I need a contact us, I need about us, I need homepage, I don't need sample page. Okay, so I'm ignoring this. So let's add it to menu. Okay, so which is the default menu, it will add to that. So let's add now, and it will come over here. Okay, so it's loading. So yes, it will have come. So guys, first thing, we will set the home page at top and about us second. So it is very flexible and easy to use this. So contact, let it be in last, and this is the service third which we are going to keep, and I want this service one below the service. Okay, so this is like this, and this will move it like this. So now it will be in a drop down box type. Okay, so guys, now let's save this menu and let's see. Okay, so saved, so menu item is saved. Now let's go to the main page, let's reload the page, and let's see the menu bar. Okay, yes. Okay, so it is home. So welcome to Fund of Web IT website. So let's click on about us. So it will tell this is about us page, and this is services which has service 1 and service 2 like drop down box. So guys, you will be knowing how to create a drop down box and customize this drop down box in coming videos. Okay, so guys, now let's click on this blog. So blog is done. This is a blog page and contact us page, right? So we have learned how to create a menu bar, and to customize this menu bar, if you don't want this color, white color, you want some other color, so let's do with that. Okay, so let's go back to our dashboard and go to the appearance. Inside that appearance you will see a customize. Okay, so let's click on that customize and customize your menu things. Okay, so as simple things which we will see in this. Okay, so it's loading. So customize loading, it is, so let's wait for it. Yes, okay, it's loaded now. So guys, it is showing in this format, but should not do like this. Okay, so yes, Okay, so this is the format now it is showing. Okay, so this is a general settings and this is a header and navigation setting. So let's click on the general setting, that is to set the website and all. So we are working on the menu bar, right? So for this menu bar we want to put some colors and this change the font size or font form, font family, everything will change it. Okay, so let's click on header and navigation. So let's click on that, and this is the primary menu, secondary menu, right? So let's go to start with that primary menu, and yes, okay, so this is the first option, make full width. Okay, so I will show you before that I will tell you that, see here, so this is the start and this is the end, but full width means it will come till here. So let's see that. So let's click publish. See, you can make out the difference over here. So it is showing this is a small thing, and let's publish. Understood, right? So this is the some hide logo. So if you hide the logo, logo will hide. Okay, so like that it is there. And this is the menu height. If you want to increase, you can increase your menu height, right? This will get increased. So let's keep it to default, that is 66. Okay, and if you scroll down, the menu gets shrinked. Okay, so if you don't want to get shrinked, that is the you have to set in some other thing also. Okay, so just forget about that. Now let's concentrate on how to set the logo height. If you want the logo height, see, you can make the changes. Okay, so max logo height, and this is a text, see the changes. Okay, so this is a text logo, so I'm going to keep 17, and letter spacing let it be 0, and themes you can choose according to your wish, okay, or according to your projects. So I'm going to use some font like robotics, okay, a robot mono. So I'm going to use this, or you can use robot. So I'm going to use roboto, and if you want bold means bold, italic, so you can just make it out. Okay, so if you want the text color, so yellow, green, red, black, so whatever you can wish, you can choose your own color. And this is the active link color. Okay, so as an example I will show you. So let's publish this first. Okay, so whatever you have done till now, let's save this. So we are saving it, we are on the active link color. So I'll show you in the next page. So if I click about us, so it will change to blue color. Okay, see here, it is now in blue color. So because it is the main page which is clicked on, so if I click on home page, the home page will become blue color because it is on active, right? So that is the color which we are going to change now. So I'll change it to current, whatever this is, orange or green. Okay, so let it set to red one. So let's publish this, and let's wait for it load. It is published, so I'm going to load this page, reload, oops, control enter, and it's loading. So it is showing in red, right? So if you click on about us, so it will show in red, right? So hover also it is showing. So guys, like this only you can set the, now this is the background color, so whatever background you want you can change it, like yellow, blue, dark blue. Okay, according to you, if you want you can adjust the color also. So guys, this is how we set and use the things. Okay, so you can just try to customize this over here, right? So let this be like this, and I'm going to change the text color as white, right? And let's set it high resolution, and active link color, let it be this only. Okay, so as simple. Let's publish this, and yes, so let's see over here. So let's reload this and check the menu bar, right? So it is in full width and it is showing home, this, etc. So it is cool, it's looking pretty cool. And now let me scroll this and check out. Okay, so there is no difference, right? So we have done the menu bar, right? So this is a simple menu bar, how we can customize and design it. So guys, this is a simple way that how menu bar can be designed, and there are many things like we can add an icon also. So we'll be learning in further videos. Okay, so guys, in this video that's it. I have shown you how to design your menu bar, how to create a menu bar, and how to design the menu bar. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe, like and share.